Hello everyone. Here we are looking at the diagram of female reproductive system. Starting from the ovaries are held at their positions by broad ligament called mesoovarium. Next is fallopian tube. It is a muscular tube and its lumen is lined by ciliated epithelium. Fallopian tubes are supported by some muscles called mesosalpinx. इस साइड पे कुछ muscles present होते हैं that are holding the fallopian tubes or supporting the fallopian tubes called mesosalpinx. Oviduct has or fallopian tube has three parts: infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. Infundibulum has finger-like projections called fimbriae, and at the center of the fimbriae, a slit or a small opening is present or a hole is present known as ostium. Whenever an ovary gives out or releases out egg, the fimbriae sucks or pulls the egg into the infundibulum, and from infundibulum the egg reaches to ampulla. Sperm also reaches to ampulla, and this is the site, that is ampulla is the site for the fertilization. Sometimes the site of fertilization is also called as isthmic ampullary junction, and from isthmus the passage opens into the uterus. Uterus is of pyriform shaped, that is, it has a shape of a inverted pear, and it is highly muscular, and it consists three tissue layers. The outer layer is perimetrium, middle layer is myometrium, and the innermost layer is endometrium. An endometrium wall is highly vascular due to the presence of blood vessels. Then the uterus opens into the cervical canal of cervix by a small opening, that is internal os या internal orifice. This cervical opening opens into the vaginal canal by external orifice or external os. Cervical canal and vaginal canal are togetherly known as birth canal. If we talk about vagina, then vagina is a tubular copulatory organ. And in virgins, the vaginal orifice is partially covered by a membrane called hymen. एक बार फिर से हम लोग इसको थियोरेटिकली रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. फेलोपियन ट्यूब्स को हम ओविडक्ट्स या यूटेरिन ट्यूब्स भी कहते हैं. इट इज़ अ मस्कुलर ट्यूब and the lumen of the fallopian tube is lined by ciliated epithelium. ओविडक्ट्स को अपने ही पोजीशंस पे कुछ मसल्स ने होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है जिसे हम कहते हैं mesosalpinx, and the wall of oviduct is made up of three layers: outermost serosa, middle layer is muscle layer, and the innermost layer is mucous membrane. And oviduct के तीन पार्ट हैं: infundibulum, ampulla and isthmus. infundibulum के पास क्या है? fimbriae है, finger like projections that will suck off the eggs from the ovum when it is released out of the ovum actually. And then ampulla, it is a site for fertilization, and then isthmus. Next structure is uterus. Uterus pyriform है. pyriform का मतलब ही होता है pear shaped, right? And uterus is inverted pear shaped, and it is highly muscular, and it has three tissue layers. Outer one is perimetrium, middle one is myometrium, and the inner one is endometrium. And endometrium सबसे ज़्यादा vascular होता है because इसके पास blood vessels होती हैं in high amount. Okay, it has these roles. It is the site of menstruation, site of implantation of a fertilized ovum, and the site of fetus development and labor. Then is vagina. Vagina एक tubular copulatory organ है ना, and it gives a passageway for birth canal, and it is covered by a membrane called hymen in virgins.